welcome back to another video. I hope all of you are doing well and your hair is thriving. I'm sending you all positive vibes, a lot of positive vibes. So in this video we are going to speak about my top 5 deep conditioners. I think because lately I have been on this Ayurvedic journey that I don't talk a lot more about deep conditioner, like regular deep conditioners here on the channel. But then again, not everybody is into Ayurvedic, and some people just like the regular old deep conditioner, and if it works for you, why not? And I also have found a way to incorporate this into my hair regimen. So I still use my deep conditioners, I just don't speak about it a lot, as I do speak about my Ayurvedic hair products, Ayurvedic hair herbs more. So today we are going to speak about my top 5 deep conditioners. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Adede. I talk about thin, fine, natural hair because my hair is thin and fine. I talk about my journey growing my hair out and getting it thicker and all those things on this channel. If that is something you are interested in, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So I'm going to start with my protein-based deep conditioners, and then I'll go to my moisturized-based deep conditioners. And some of these deep conditioners are really old, but I still do love them, and some of them are new that I just tried out like a year or 6 months ago that I really do love. So we are going to start with our good old ORS hair mayonnaise. So I couldn't choose between I couldn't choose one of these products, so I just combine them as one in this video. I love this one when I'm going for a light protein treatment, and when I want something really deep and a bit stronger, I go for this one. So when your hair is thin and fine, you need more protein than usual to help build the keratin in your hair so that your hair does not break off quickly, but at the same time you still have to be careful because you don't want too much protein in your hair, because then your hair will still break anyway. So it's kind of tricky to find a good balance, and I think these two products does a great job with balancing my hair with moisture and deep conditioner. And because I use a lot of Ayurvedic herbs and all those things, and Ayurvedic herbs are mostly strengthening or they have a lot of protein in it, I really grab more of my moisture. I really grab more my moisturizing deep conditioner than my protein-based deep conditioners. Okay, so let's move on to my second product, which is this one. This is the Sheer Moisture Strengthening and Restore Treatment Mask. This is the one with the Jamaican black castor oil. I love this for balancing protein and moisture. I think it's a protein base, obviously it says strengthening and restoring, but it also has a lot of moisture in it, in my opinion. So it's a good way to balance your hair when you need just a little bit of protein but also a little bit of moisture in your hair. This has good ingredients in it like shea butter, Jamaican black castor oil, peppermint oil. I don't like using Jamaican black castor oil directly on my hair because I find it too thick, but when I incorporate it or when it's in a deep conditioner or conditioner or I mix it with my oil, then I love it. So I love the fact that it has Jamaican black castor oil in here so that I don't have to use it directly on my hair. So now we are moving on to my moisturizing deep conditioners. I'm going to start with also this old moisturizing deep conditioner, which is the Keratin Deep Conditioner, Humecto Deep Conditioner. The name already says it's a humecto. Humectos are something that draw moisture from the air to your hair. I love this one. This is also an oldie but a goodie. I also love this one very much. It has absolutely no protein in it, so you can be certain that your hair is going to get all the moisture it needs. Mostly when I'm using moisturizing deep conditioners, I like to sit under a steamer because I find that the steamer opens my hair shaft and the moisture really gets in there. So that is how I use this, and I dare you guys to try this with a steamer and you will be amazed. And also this is my fourth moisturizing deep conditioner. I like to use either this or this. I grab towards this or this more often because of the slips that it provides, and it works really well with my steamer. This is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. This is the one with the raw honey and olive oil. So I like this one also if you're looking for a moisturizing deep conditioner with a lot of slip. Go for the TGIN with the honey in it. I really love it, and it smells also pretty good. The only thing I don't like about this is that it's pretty expensive. It's pretty pricey, not that expensive, but it's on the pricey side. And although a little goes a long way, it never goes in sales. It never goes. I never get good deals on this one. So. So that is the only downside to it. They don't have a lot of deals on this one, but apart from that, it's really perfect for my hair. It is light enough for my thin fine natural hair. It penetrates into my hair perfectly. Also this one as well is also really light, and especially combined with a little bit oil, a little bit of olive oil or something like that, it's really perfect. And my last deep conditioner that I'm going to speak about is this deep conditioner. It's also very popular deep conditioner here on YouTube, and that's why I also decided to pick it up, and I do not regret taking it. I also love it for moisture in my hair. I must say that I don't grab it that often because it is so thick, and if you have low porosity hair, it is very difficult to work it in your hair. Sorry, I didn't mention the name. The name is Sheer Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. It is also with baobab oil, and I also have baobab oil, so I add it in here. And I have found a way to use this without it being so thick on my hair. So I found a way to make it penetrate into my hair better, and that is to add a bit of hot water to it. So I scoop up a little bit, like 2 tablespoons, and I add about a tablespoon of hot water to it, and I mix it, well, hot water, warm water, and I mix it up, and then I add extra baobab oil to it, and then it works miracle on my hair. But then again, like I said, I really like to take the TGNI or the Humecto. I really like to pick them quicker than to pick this one, because sometimes you're just in a hurry and I'm not about to be mixing hot water and all those things in here. But if you do have the time and you do it, it's really worth it. So you should try it. This is how thick it is. It's really thick. It's not going anywhere. I'm not too sure why they made it like this. Like, it's such a good deep conditioner, but it's just too thick for my hair. I can't. It's just too thick for my hair. Whether you have low porosity or high porosity, my hair is low porosity and thin. So using such a thick deep conditioner is just, it will just sit on your hair and do nothing really. So those are my top 5 deep conditioners that I love using for my hair. I also have regular deep conditioners, like rinse out these deep conditioners that I mix with my Ayurvedic pre-poos. Sometimes, depending on the herbs that I'm using, I'll mix a regular deep conditioner with it, If you want me to do a video about that also, let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what is your top 5 deep conditioner. I would love to read about it. I would love to try it, and maybe it will help other people as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you in my next video. Bye!